Welcome back to Better Kansas City. So dried flowers capture nature's beauty at its peak, and it's a great way to save flowers from your garden or from a special event. Julie Flanagan from Artrageous Studio stopped by to show us how we can use dried flowers for art around the house. What is this shadow box? Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
So after we press the flowers, which we're going to do in a minute and show you how we do that, is I took them and I stuck a pin through them, kind of like those butterfly specimen boxes you see in science museums. And I stuck the pin through and I just elevated them off the back of this IKEA frame.
Okay.
And they have to be completely dry or they kind of flop. Found that out the hard way. But it's a lovely, and it casts, the plants then cast the shadows against the backdrop. I put some foam on the back and I put some of the plants needed a little backing so they wouldn't slide down the pin, so I used little pieces of foam. That's all of that.
Julie, this is simply lovely. It kind of takes your breath away right when you see it, but you know, we got to draw attention to something, because when I was giving you a call to coordinate our outfits last night, you know, look at this. How'd you manage this?
This was like, this was really, really hard. I took my pressed flowers, took off my case, put the flowers in there, put the case back on, done. Done is beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
That's all there is to it.
It's wonderful. It was simple. And then you've got this serving tray. I mean, that would pop any springtime like brunch or tea party or anything you're going to have.
Yes. And this isn't Mod Podged on, but you can Mod Podge.
Okay.
Everything down first and then Mod Podge on top of it, and it's fine. And you can even put a piece of glass over it when you're done, so it can actually be functional.
You know, let's get started drying these.
Let's show you guys the fastest way to press a flower known to man.
Okay.
Microwaves. I am so not kidding you.
You're next level with the tech now.
Oh yeah. So you get to pick out your flower and your leaves and that you want to. Here's your scissors.
Can we cut this one, Julie?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Perfect. Okay.
So we'll do that with the leaves.
So what we have here is tiles, just ceramic tiles. I like to use the thicker tiles. You can buy them at Home Depot for like $1.50 a piece. You can buy 2. Or you can buy 3 or 4. I bought several so I could do several different dryings at the same time, because you put them in the microwave. So here are the paper towels. I use a Viva paper towel, which is very absorbent, but you can use any paper towels. I find that 2 work, so I'm laying 2 down, and then just a piece of computer paper. It can be recycled, and you lay that down on top, and we're going to actually fold our flowers into there.
Okay.
So you lay them down, make sure they land on where the tile is underneath.
Okay.
And don't overlap them, because they might fuse together in the heat.
Okay, and they probably need to be really flat, right?
Well, the leaves can be flat. This, you just do the best you can.
Okay.
And then we're gonna thank you, that's perfect. And we're gonna lay that, make sure they're the way we want them before we fold our paper, because what you have here is what you're gonna get all flattened out. And now we're gonna lay this on top. What happens? Well, I'll tell you while this is cooking. So now we're gonna put this upside down on top, and that's gonna weight it down. We're gonna put another one on top of there. That's gonna weight it down even more, and we're gonna pop it in the microwave.
So we're putting in 30 seconds and then hit start?
Yep, there we go. And hopefully, I don't know how hot your microwave is.
Yeah.
And if it isn't completely flat or dry, you want to let this completely dry to lukewarm before you even open it.
Okay.
But this is not that hot, so we're going to be okay.
Okay.
But then if it's not completely dry, and it oftentimes isn't, you put it in, you let it cool down a little bit, change your paper towels, put it in another 30 seconds. And just keep doing that till it's dry.
Oh, yeah.
The big reveal.
Oh, that's so wonderful.
Look at this. It is totally flat. Let's just show everybody. Look how flat that is.
That is wonderful, and the color's preserved beautifully.
So now it's time the color preserves. So now we're just gonna take this and lay this here.
Should we put the leaves down first? What do you think?
Oh, well, we're gonna lay this here. Let me get my scissors. Where did my scissors go?
Oh, I've got some scissors.
Here, I pinched it. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
We'll put it at a little angle, and then we'll put the leaves behind there.
Okay.
Put them upside down, maybe. And then we'll stick this over the top. And it may or may not fit. There we go.
And we've got spring with us at all times.
Yes, and
this is
you could arrange the dried flowers inside of a frame beautifully.